Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you a lot of videos which is made by my students. So the video you can see on my screen, this is Manal's video. Now let's move to the another student. This is Rayan's activity and he has used artificial pebbles, thermocol sheet, colorful paper such as green colorful paper, and he has made water with the help of hot glue gun. So this is very nice. The way he represent his activity, as I guide the students that no need to buy different things. The supplies you have at your home, you can utilize those supplies, but for making anything you just need to take a lot of different stuff. So they have to buy glue gun and watercolor as well for making the activity beautiful. So this is a nice idea because they have used trash. Okay, they have used a lot of different waste material. So in this way you can utilize your waste product and you can consume that to convert them into beautiful activity, such as you can see on my screen, waterfall activity. Now let's move to the next student. This is next activity. It is made by Aisha, and look at here, she has done a very nice job. This one is Rina. She did not use glue gun. Instead of that she has used white cloth. And this is Tapshish activity. Very nice, very beautiful. You can check, there are artificial plants, and look at the water she has made. It is very nice idea, but in this activity she has used a lot of glue gun, hot glue gun. This is Zoya's activity, and this one is I really like, Kashaf activity. This is Isha's activity, and this one is Iman. Every activity is very nice.
I begin to